Welcome to the EROS official YouTube channel. Today we are at the EROS store at Nakheel Mall and we're trying out some of the products for a more detailed review. On this episode, we're going to integrate some AI into a washing machine. You heard me right. This is the Samsung's latest WD11. It integrates a lot of the AI stuff that's happening. Everything from, the way that you put the dispensers over here to the way the machine works. It uses something called as the AI Ecobubble, which is Samsung's proprietary technology that it uses to generate more bubbles and froths based on how dirty your cloth is. So you put all the detergents over here and the AI in the computer automatically manipulates how much of the detergent is required, how long the machine needs to go for, and whether it's going to get a full rinse or not. All of that is integrated into this bespoke edition, and this is 11.5 kg load that you can put onto this, and this is also controlled by an app, so you have complete control over your washing requirements. You can do stuff like scheduling the washes, checking the wash directory, looking at the amount of soap you have left, and all of these other things as well. It's got a beautiful design. This has actually won a design award. That's correct. Washing machines are now winning design awards, and this is a designer washing machine that's come through. Looks very beautiful, and it also has a very nice section over here that you can open up and put all this stuff. It's a front-loading washing machine, so you get everything that's on the front over here.